Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been dealing with hair thinning, alopecia, or just want to give your hair a little extra love, you've probably heard of red light therapy. But does it really work? Today, we're reviewing the red light therapy for hair growth device, an FDA-cleared treatment designed to stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. Whether you're a man or woman dealing with hair thinning, this device promises to help bring back those fuller, healthier locks. This device uses low-level laser therapy LLLT to target the scalp and boost circulation, which is key to hair health. It's designed with 162 laser diodes that emit light at a precise 650-660 millimeters wavelength, known to encourage hair regrowth by stimulating the hair follicles. It works by increasing blood flow and reducing inflammation, two factors that can really make a difference when you're struggling with hair loss. But how does it perform in real life? When I first tried it, I was impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. The device is wireless and features just one button, press it, and it's set for a 20-minute session. No complicated settings, no additional steps. It automatically shuts off when the time is up, which is great for those of us with busy schedules. It's super convenient because you can use it while doing other tasks, whether you're reading, working, or relaxing. You won't even feel heat during the process, but don't worry, that's totally normal and doesn't affect the treatment's effectiveness. I found the device comfortable to wear, with the inner liner providing a snug fit, while the top of the helmet keeps the scalp cool, thanks to its well-thought-out ventilation. The large coverage area is another plus. With 162 laser diodes, it covers a larger portion of your scalp, including your hairline, temples, sides, and crown. This is a big deal, especially if you're dealing with thinning hair across multiple areas. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? It's easy to use, non-invasive, and pretty comfortable. Plus, the fact that it's FDA cleared speaks volumes about its safety and efficacy. The large coverage area and the ability to multitask during sessions are also huge benefits, especially if you're someone who wants to see results without adding time-consuming steps to your routine. The packaging is also worth noting. This device comes in a stylish gift box, making it perfect for anyone looking to gift a thoughtful beauty tech item. On the flip side, the cons. While it's FDA cleared, red light therapy doesn't provide instant results. You'll need consistent use, typically 2 to 3 times a week, for at least a few months to see noticeable changes. Some users might not feel heat during use, which could make them question if it's working. But remember that it's not necessary to feel heat for the treatment to be effective. As for value for money, the price is a bit steep, but considering its FDA clearance, ease of use, and the potential benefits for hair regrowth, it could very well be worth the investment for those struggling with hair thinning or early-stage hair loss. Of course, if you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives out there, but none with quite the same coverage and simplicity. When it comes to build quality, the device feels well made, and the large coverage area seems well thought out. The battery life is solid, and the device charges efficiently. If you're using it 2 to 3 times a week, it should last you a long time before needing a charge. If you're concerned about customer support, I haven't personally needed to contact the brand, but the device is FDA cleared, which usually indicates a reputable brand behind it. Many FDA cleared devices come with solid customer support, so I'd expect any issues to be handled professionally. In terms of alternatives, there are other red light therapy devices on the market, some more affordable and others with different features. However, if you're looking for something with comprehensive coverage and a sleek, easy-to-use design, this one stands out in terms of value for money. To wrap it up, this red light therapy device has a lot going for it. It's easy to use, FDA cleared, and provides a potentially effective solution for hair regrowth. If you're serious about addressing hair thinning and have the patience for consistent use, it might be a solid investment for you. However, if you're expecting fast results or on a budget, it might be worth considering other options too. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this device, drop a comment below and let us know what your experience has been. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.